Hello and welcome to another episode of Quick Bytes, where we bring you relevant information about Azure NetApp Files features and use cases. My name is Arndt de Gier and I'm a technical marketing engineer for Azure NetApp Files. In this episode, we would like to showcase the latest storage efficiency and cost optimization capability called Azure NetApp Files Standard Storage with Cool Access. Standard storage with cool access value and design principles are as simple and straightforward as one can imagine. The purpose is to save cost by transparently moving cold data off to lower cost Azure storage, whilst remaining transparent access to data for all users. Users will not see any difference in the way the data is presented and will continue to have access to all files and folders transparently, merely at a slightly different performance profile. Many customers have large file repositories that do not change for the most part, but require the ability for users to be accessed at any point in time. Storing all data on the most performant and hence more costly storage is often not economically viable. This is where Azure NetApp Files Standard Storage with Cool Access will make a difference. Customers can configure when data is deemed cool, and the system will be on its way to take care. Simple, set and forget. To make this simple for customers to consume and truly make it set and forget, enabling this feature is really straightforward. One would only need to do the following things to enable, use, and configure the capability. First, configure a standard tier capacity pool with Cool Access by selecting the Cool Access checkbox. Cool Access can be enabled for existing capacity pools, but cannot be disabled once set. Second, enable any volume carved out of the capacity pool with Cool Access as desired. Third, set the coolness period on a per volume basis. And fourth, set the Cool Access retrieval policy. Default means retrieve upon read, except for sequential reads, such as backups. On read means retrieve upon read, and never means do not retrieve, which means always serve directly from the cool tier without making the data hot again. Then we check the settings in the Review and Create dialog, and click Create to create the volume. Simple, set, and forget. Cool Access can also be enabled for existing volumes. Make sure the volumes are part of a capacity pool with Cool Access enabled. Then use Edit Volume and select the Cool Access checkbox and set the coolness period and retrieval policy. Click OK to save. Now many customers will wonder what those cost optimizations may mean to them. For this we have created an easy-to-use cost savings estimator. Based on a few most relevant input parameters, the estimator will immediately calculate the estimated savings live as entries are updated. The customer can select their Azure region of choice and their data capacity, and the estimator makes the updates immediately. Then the customer can use the sliders to set the percentage of data estimated to be cool, the coolness period, and the percentage of data the customer is expected to retrieve from the Cool Access tier on a monthly basis. Again, the estimator will immediately recalculate the savings. In the resulting output, the customer would then see the following cost savings in this order. First, at the top, they would see the storage cost without Cool Access. In the second part, they would see the second month cost savings with Cool Access. At this point, there is some network transfer cost as data is gradually moved out to the cool tier. In the third part, they would then see the steady state storage cost with Cool Access enabled. And as we can see, the cost has come down from $37,000 to $20,000 in this particular use case, which is an incredible savings of 47%. You can try this cost savings estimator yourself by going to aka.ms/ANF Cool Access Calc or by scanning the QR code. Scan the second QR code to go to the Cool Access documentation page on learn.microsoft.com. This marks the end of this episode of Quick Bytes. Thank you for watching.